Title: You're not lazy. Your testosterone is low. This is why you feel stuck. You wake up, and the first thing you do isn't getting out of bed. It's this. You grab your phone. You open one app, then another, then another. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. But when you finally look at the time, 40 minutes are gone, and you haven't even gotten out of bed yet. Now you're already tired. Not physically, but mentally. You don't feel like doing anything, but you still have things to do. Work, study, responsibilities. So you sit down, open your laptop, and just stare at the screen. You switch tabs. You check your phone again. You open YouTube, just for a break. And suddenly, it's afternoon. And now, that feeling starts creeping in. Guilt. You start thinking, why am I like this? Why can't I just focus? Other people are working, what am I doing? You feel behind. You feel stuck. And slowly, you start calling yourself lazy. But let's be honest for a second. You're not lazy. Because if you were lazy, you wouldn't feel this bad about wasting your time. Lazy people don't care. You do. That's why it hurts. So what's actually going on? Why do you want to work, but can't? Why do you plan everything, but execute nothing? Because your system is messed up. Your body, your brain, your habits. Everything is working against you. Look at your nights. You're tired, but you don't sleep. You lie in bed scrolling. Reels, shorts, random videos. You're not even enjoying it, but you can't stop. You say, last one, but there's always another one. Then you sleep late. Your sleep is broken. And in the morning, you wake up feeling worse than before. Now think about your day. You barely move. You sit for hours. No sunlight, no fresh air. Just screen after screen after screen. And your food? Whatever is quick. Whatever is easy. No thought. No control. Now combine all of this. Bad sleep. No movement. Constant scrolling. No discipline. And then ask yourself, do you really expect to feel motivated? This is where testosterone comes in. And no, this is not some gym bro top. I see. This is your energy, your drive, your ability to take action. When your testosterone is in a good state, you feel like doing things. You don't overthink small tasks. You just start. You feel confident. You feel in control. But when it's low, everything feels heavy. Even replying to a message feels like effort. Even starting a small task feels like pressure. So what do? You escape into your phone, into comfort, into distraction, and then the cycle repeats. Every single day, you're not lazy. You're overstimulated and underactive. Your brain is fried. Your body is weak. And your system is out of balance. But here's the part most people ignore. This is fixable. Not instantly, but definitely. Start small. Tomorrow morning. Don't touch your phone immediately. Just sit for a minute. Get up. Drink water. Step outside. Let sunlight hit your face. Move your body. You don't need a perfect workout. Just move. Walk. Stretch. Push-ups. Anything. Fix your sleep slowly. Don't scroll till 2 a.m. Put your phone away earlier. Even 30 minutes earlier is a start. And most importantly, reduce the noise. You don't need constant stimulation. Let your brain be bored sometimes. That's where focus comes back. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel the urge to go back, to scroll, to escape. But if you push through, something starts changing. You wake up with slightly more energy. You feel a little more clear. You start one task and actually finish it. That's how it begins. Not with motivation, but with small control. And slowly, you become the person you keep thinking about. The focused one, the disciplined one, the one who actually does things. So stop calling yourself lazy. That's not the truth. The truth is, you've been living in a way that makes you feel weak. Fix that, and everything changes. Final line, you don't need to become someone else. You just need to stop living like this.
Subscribe to this channel because this is just the beginning.